everyone, it's me Asawang Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is we're gonna drive to the Bacolod City. I'm going to look for a gaming chair there, and well, this is a video. It's not a sponsored video, but the gaming chair I'm going to buy today is also from one of my subscribers who helped me out for all of my vlogging stuff like high heels, shoes, and also the mount of my car and positioning for my car, so everything. And now he's planning to buy me a gaming chair, and I'm going to go Bacolod now, SM Bacolod, to check it out for the price. And then I'm so excited. So if you wanna help me out or you wanna help me, you can also just donate some cash to my PayPal account for to support my channel and for high heels, so that I can buy high heels for my driving and any shoes that you want me to use for driving. And then okay, let's go, come with me and drive with me. So I'm so excited how it looks like there. I hope they have an available that what we've seen or search in the Amazon. So let's go. I really push it down to the floor, but my speed limit until 120 to 140 kilometers, but this is only until 160. So I like the speed up fastest, I think. Speed up, but yeah, so far when I go fast, that's all I can reach, but that's already down. It's okay to drive fast as long as you are at your speed. Earlier, I was gonna happen next. Like my Toyota, I really push it down to the floor.
I tried my best to survive.